Okay, 4, we are rounding these numbers to the given. Okay, very good. So they're asking for 3 true numbers. And you can see that's exactly what she's done here. She's got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then she's got 1, 2. There should be a 0 there. Yeah. That would be liters. And this would be no unit there. So they didn't label their number, which is a mistake on their part. But it is what it is. So that you can get the right answer. So 862 would be 3 true numbers, or 3 significant figures. Okay, you are correct, but you need to put the decimal right here. So if you round it to 90, which is what she did based on the 3 and the 8, you can't remember to not put the decimal there. Decimal defines it as a true number. Significant figures, you're looking at the number past the decimal, because tools are used to make these measurements. And the one past the decimal with the fewest is typically the cheapest tool. Up here the example would be it costs $125, whereas if you go 4 places past the decimal, in the 10,000th, that would probably cost around $10,000. So equipment that's more precise costs more money. Past the decimal, the rule when you're adding and subtracting with measurements that are significant, you always choose the weakest. So if you have a measuring device, this measuring device is measuring in the tenths, right? This device probably costs maybe $300 to measure the tenths. This one's measuring in the hundreds and the thousands. This device is going to cost you a lot of money, probably maybe $10,000 to measure that far. This device here, this is thousands, this is like 10,000s. This device is going to cost you a lot of money. You can just blow on this and it's going to go all over the place, just measuring mass, that is the balance wheel. So this is your weak link. Measuring the tenths is the weakest. So if you're playing on a football team or a basketball team, your weakest player is going to determine how good you are. So we always express our results on the weakest player. And that's what Adam did over here with his result. He added them all up and he rounded correctly. Nice job, Adam. Okay, nice job. Number 6.
True.
All right, number 6 is actually false.
No. Run.
Did you say 7? 7's true.
Yeah.
6 is false. All right, what we're doing here today, we are spell working the first quiz. So we're reviewing the first quiz. So the first one asks you to round a given number to one significant figure, and then the last one asks you to give it in 5. So you'll notice you have to use scientific notation and place the zeros as significant or true numbers when they ask you to. So once again, you can see that these are placeholders. This is your first true number. Placeholders, 2 true numbers here. The 3 and the 2 are true. And then your placeholders and your 3 true numbers, 3, 1, and 9 are true. Okay, today we're reviewing significant figures worksheet from 828. We have some data on the board. Don't forget placeholders do not count as significant figures. Anybody else want to do number 2? Now later on, if you're still not understanding, you can watch the video on Noah. He's a little more pleasing to the eye than me. I'm kind of old, my hair's falling out.
Alright, it keeps changing, so I'm just going to write 1.20.
Grams, 1 paper clip. Always label your number.
Stands for paper clip.
Excellent. Now do the whole. Write that up there. Grams, all of them. Nice job, John. Everybody agree with those? Yes, those are correct. Nice job. What's up, man? Show your mom. So we got about 1 minute. We'll go over this quiz. Yeah, it's true or false. First thing are true and false. I'm just gonna go over to make sure you check your answers on the quiz that you got. Most of y'all scored like a B on the quiz. Okay, so your total mass for all the paper clips, 120. And you've got 120 total mass divided by the 1 paper clip. And what's your total number of paper clips calculated to be?
Shall I do which one?
Yeah, 120.46 divided by 1.20.
100.
Okay, so he calculated 100, right? Now, unfortunately, Alex counted the number of paper clips in the box. How many were in the box, Alex?
About 96.
97. I think you calculated 97, didn't you? You counted 97. Is that a problem? Because the box says 100, right? And he counted 97. Looking at percent error, accepted value calculated mathematically. And then your error is calculated based on the experiment. You'll see this in college. They'll evaluate you. Oftentimes they have an accepted error they're looking for. So it's like 80 to 90%. Usually what the average is. That's an A. And if you get like a 60, it's like a C. You understand what I mean? Very rarely will it be 100%. They're looking for a specific range of what your error should fall into.
I lost my count already.
Start over. We need an accurate count.
Okay.
It says there's 100 paper clips in the box.
Start over? Okay, ready, set, go.
We got some bell work. Ryan's going to do A4.